nước tí ơi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a virtual trip. Our trip today is first the Valley of Love. Then we will go to Binh Oi Cafe. Then we will make a drone flight over Dalat. We hope the police won't come and confiscate the drone. According to what we heard, permission is now required to fly a drone. Anyway, first let's give some information about the Valley of Love. The Valley of Love is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Dalat. This is a large park with a lake, gardens, and walking paths. It's a great place to go for a romantic stroll or just to take in the scenery. There are also several restaurants and cafes in the Valley of Love, so you can make a day of it. Without further ado, let's start our trip and visit the flower garden. What surprises await us? What we will see in the flower garden? Actually, I'm very curious too. I tried to enter 2 years ago, but unfortunately it rained a lot that week, and I did not have the opportunity to go into the garden. Today, we will have the opportunity to visit the garden on this beautiful day.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright.
We start visiting the flower garden. Let's walk among the flowers, orchids of different colors.
A lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
We came to the area where the lake begins. Let's dive into the garden first and take pictures from here on our way back.
It stays way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot.
Let's continue walking. I think this place would be great at the end of March and the beginning of April.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
They made a statue symbolizing coffee bowls and cups to symbolize Dalat. There is also a statue showing the world.
Way back a year ago.
Now we have come to the place where the roses are in the flower garden. Imagine this place when the roses are in full bloom. I think it would look great. Who wouldn't want to walk hand in hand with your lover among the roses and experience romantic moments? We return to the area where the lake begins. We planted many parts of the flower garden. But we wouldn't be able to say that. We didn't see anything that would make us feel happy or relieved. As you can see behind me, even the flowers are not fully ripe yet. There are few visitors, so it's not time yet to visit the flower garden. Paying 200 dong per person to visit this flower garden is not worth it in my opinion. Soon I will go up to the top of the visible platform and watch the park from above.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
Yes, friends, now we are in Dalat. Yesterday we came here and we went 3 or 4 places, see signs. It is really nice places. I will collect all together in a video and I will share it in a few days in a YouTube channel. Then you can see there all videos in a full. That's why I can say this is a short video. Then you will see completely the trip to Dalat in a few days. And sure, in the video you will see also which places it's interesting for you, which places you can see if you come one day to Dalat. Dalat is a very famous city in Vietnam. Especially this is the colony from the French people, and they select this Dalat because of the probably because of the tea. Yeah, here you can see many tea gardens and the best tea I think from Vietnam you can find in Dalat or around, because it is a nice temperature for tea. The another reason maybe the French colony, French came here because of the temperature. The temperature just look like Germany, although there is no snow, but the temperature under 10 not possible. That's why between 10 and 30 summer probably it is higher, but winter time there is no temperature under 10 degrees Celsius. That's why maybe the France select this city colonized because of this reason. In my old videos also you can see the train. They built a trainway here. Today I didn't show it But in my old films or videos, you can see the train. That's why in this video we have no videos or pictures from how can you call from train from French, which is made by French. Here there are how can you say? So I change it the camera way that that can I show you the down little bit down. As you see here, there is a platform, a Bühne. They make, I think, here concert, different kind of concert. You can come. You can if there is some concert here, maybe music or something different. I don't know. Then you can enjoy it. You can join it. Yeah, you can enjoy it. Anyway, here is the special place at the mountains. Yeah, I see a lot of the greenhouse. They are growing some vegetables or something different. I don't know, but if you see here, it's a special place, really, right? Mountains, and you are directly in the nature, yeah, direct nature, and the down there are some trees. I think they are the fruits. Currently, it is winter time here, but I think soon it will be spring. Then all will be green again. You see the trees here. The trees are losing their leaves, and later it comes again. Yeah, this is the normal trees. I don't know what kind of trees these are. Maybe quetchy, I have no idea, but this is trees. Anyway, this is the cafe, what I want to show you, and it's enough today. And if you can subscribe my channel, and I will be happy if you make a comment or give a like.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were.
Yes, friends, now I am in the famous place in Dalat. This kugel, this ball is very famous. If you see the picture from Dalat, 100% you can see this ball. Behind me there are the lake. It's also a very famous lake. And most tourists are coming because of this lake, because the lake bring also cold. You know, the Vietnam is normally, it is hot country, especially Saigon or big cities. It is really hot and high humidity. That's why the Dalat is in the middle of the Vietnam. From right the Hanoi, left the Saigon, or north the Hanoi, south the Saigon. You can come here and you can enjoy your life here. Here is really nice place. And of course the temperature is lower than the all other big cities. The reason is we are in the mountain, big mountains. That's why here is cold, and the temperature sure at least 10 degrees Celsius less than Saigon or the south side of Vietnam. That's why the people are coming here for enjoying the weather. Sure, there are good places here to see, to visit. And yesterday and today we visit a few of them. Soon you will see all of them in my YouTube channel. Today we were in a flower garden. Actually, I wish it more to see, but it is not special. Really, it's not special, but of course, if you are here, you can go there and you can see it too. And I think in 1 month or 2 months, this is the springtime. I think that everywhere is very, very green and very, very blooms, a lot of blooms you can see. Now it's not too much, but less. Also the rose, as okay, we see a few rose, but you see the temperature is still not useful for the blooms or for the other trees. That's why I imagine at the beginning of the April, here will be a fantastic view for everybody. That's why if you come here, I advise you come here at the end of the March in April, then you will see here a nice place. Okay, this is everything what I want to say. You see in the videos also the other places that I visit in a few days. Then I can say bye-bye. See you next time.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.